Guys, there have been some changes to Citrix, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use Citrix for the purposes of IS-201. Go ahead and navigate to a web browser and open up apps.byu.edu. Go ahead and click Detect Receiver. For me, this pop-up box asking me if I want to open the Citrix receiver launcher is showing up because I already downloaded the receiver. If you haven't, then you're just going to check this I agree license box and go ahead and download it. I'll go ahead and just open it. Okay, so it's going to take you to this page. Usually in the past, and if you've watched the other video, it's going to show you how to open up access through this web application and save files to the H drive. Some changes have been pushed out to the way Citrix works for OIT, and you're no longer able to save to the H drive through this web application. So you're going to go ahead and have to use the Workspace desktop app. So let me show you how to do that. So since you've already downloaded the Citrix receiver through this apps.byu.edu, that's what it prompted us to do, let's go ahead and find that. You can go ahead and spotlight search it or go to your applications. Go ahead and just type in Citrix and it should pop up right here. Let's double click that and open it up. So when we double click that, it's going to come up with the screen and ask us to add an account. It's going to ask for work email. What you're going to want to put in is that same URL we just navigated to, which is apps.byu.edu. So now this is pulled up and we have access. Usually after you put in the apps.byu.edu URL, it'll come up with another box that's going to ask you for your credentials. If that happens to you, go ahead and type in your NetID and your NetID password. It might actually pull up that credential box twice. I've seen that quite frequently. So go ahead and just authenticate with your NetID and password as usual, and then it should take you here. So this is what you're going to want to use, this Citrix receiver, which is an application. I'll close out of this web app so it's not confusing. So you're going to want to go ahead and use this. From here, you can go ahead and save to your H drive like you normally would. I'll just show you how in case you aren't familiar with that. So let's go ahead and open up a blank database. And let's go ahead and go to File, Save As. Scroll down here to Save As. Click Yes. Right. Okay, so here on the side, let me expand this. We can see all of these different disks, these local disks and these removable disks. You want to find the local disk that's called the H drive. And you'll know you find the right one if you can expand this and you can see your desktop and documents and downloads, and if I look at that, I'll see the normal things that are on my desktop. See, there's that journal folder right there, and there it is showing up. So from there, go ahead and save it to wherever you would like it to be on your computer. I'll go ahead and save it to my desktop. Click Save. I'm going to close out of it. And then we should see it pull up right here. Here it is, database 11.